Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I bring you a full face of the newest drugstore makeup launches. I went to Ulta again and just went to check out the drugstore section, see what they had. Picked up a few things, and then I'm also going to throw in here other items that I've been testing out in past videos. So this is going to be a first impression on all affordable makeup. I'm so excited for you guys to see what I'm playing with today. So of course, you already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's full face of the newest drugstore makeup launches. Let's get into it. Let's get started. I am so excited to test out new makeup with you guys. I just got out of the shower, did my brows, did a little bit of my skincare. Let me show you just roughly, quickly, what I got from Ulta, okay? I just got a few things that I wanted to try that I've been eyeing or whatever. I picked up a different shade from the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Melting Lip Balms. These have quickly become my go-tos. They're so creamy, so moisturizing, and they add the perfect amount of lip color. I also picked up a new Morphe lip liner in the shade Sugar Pie. I feel like I have this one. Maybe I do. I don't know. But they have them next to their new Hot Honey lip oils, which weren't really appealing to me, so I skipped on that. But I did pick up the new Morphe Sun and Heat Creamy Bronzer Sticks. Swatch them, and they look so nice and so creamy. And then Ulta has these cloud blushes. This is the Ulta Beauty Collection. They have quite a few cute summer blush colors. And I was like, let me find out. I've never tried anything from Ulta Beauty, like the brand. And then I finally picked up the Glaze Buttermelt soft glow skin tint from NYX. I got this in the shade Chai Butta, and I think it is going to be a little dark, but I'm going to try to match my body to my face because my body is a lot darker. I picked up a new e.l.f. eyeliner because mine is totally dried out. I also got a Glamnetic brush on nail glue because mine also ran out. My favorite glue. I picked up two skincare products. The Bioma Moisturizing Gel Cream. This one right here. This is supposed to be a really nice, rich cream gel-like formula. I saw Nina Poole on TikTok talk about it, and I totally trust her with anything she talks about because, yeah, she has not disappointed me with anything, and this feels so nice. I've just been looking for a nice, rich, moisturizing lotion because the one that I have right now, como que my skin doesn't like it, and it's been breaking me out. And then I also picked up the Thayer's pH Balancing Daily Cleanser just because I've been breaking out a little bit, and I don't know if it's due to my moisturizer or what. Lonnie wanted the body spray from Sol de Janeiro, the 62, so I got her this one. And then the last thing I got is this e.l.f. Finest Flick Glitter Eyeshadow in the shade Pop Off Pink. Really cute, okay? Let's get started. I have prepped my skin. I'm going in with this product, and I am going to apply it with a brush that is, I think, even too dark for me. Can we make it work? I mean, it is a skin tint, so it might not look that bad. I don't know. Let's just go with it, okay? I'm definitely gonna have to return this though. Realistically, like I can't use this. So this is supposed to just give you a sheer coverage on the skin. Obviously, it contains sunscreen, so it's going to help to prevent sunburn. And then you can also use it to just apply some coverage on the skin. This does claim to have a luminous finish or a soft glow, if you will. So this might make me super oily because it is a skincare product. And us oily girls, sometimes we just can't get away with stuff like that. Okay, so first impressions, it looks pretty nice on the skin. Like, it's really not going to give you any coverage whatsoever. If you have redness, it will conceal the redness. But if you have a lot of acne, maybe a lot of hyperpigmentation, products like these are just not going to be it for you unless you conceal and then apply this, or unless it doesn't bother you that your imperfections are peeking through. More power to you, girl. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. So for me, I don't know. I have to keep an eye on it. We'll see how it looks. But for a beach day, absolutely throw this in your bag and you're good to go. The past few weekends have been super busy for me as far as like makeup appointments. I mentioned before that I'm back to doing freelance makeup, and I have been taking this with me. I put it on a little spoolie and then I use it on like my makeup girls, my clients, and I'm like, this is actually a really good concealer. I just haven't touched it in so long. This is from Sephora. So this is not new. This is not new makeup from the drugstore, but it is so good. Let's move on to the blush. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. These are $12 again. This is the Ulta Beauty Collection Cloud Blush. The packaging is just so cute. It's kind of giving CoverGirl, and I'm so here for it. This is a shade. This is the shade Reverie, I believe. I wanted the pink one, but I was like, let me go coral because that's just my comfort zone, okay? So let me use this brush that I have here from... So these are supposed to give a blurring effect. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. These are supposed to be blurring, and I love that. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. And these are pigmented. You guys saw that I didn't apply too much. Maybe I did apply a little too much, but oh my gosh, these are so pretty. It's giving such a blurred look to the cheek area. I'm gonna have to blend that out a little bit with my sponge. Wow. I feel like this blush will look so much better with like a full coverage foundation, just because I feel like you can still see like my little acne marks and everything underneath. So not loving that, but that's okay. Take a little more. The blush is just gorgeous, you guys, and for $12. Sometimes Ulta Beauty sells really good products, and I just always, I guess I'm kind of a snob because I'm like, it's Ulta Beauty, and hello. This is just gorgeous. I'm going to use a little bit of my concealer brush to blend it even better because these are super pigmented. Oh my gosh. Both of these are also new from Juvia's Place, new at Ulta. This is their new bronzer blush, liquid bronzer in Toasted Toffee. I just posted a full video testing brand new Juvia's Place makeup. I will link it up here or something in case you guys want to watch that. But I used all the new launches that Ulta, or not Ulta, that Juvia's Place has. And this brush, y'all, oh my gosh, I have not been able to put it down since I filmed that video. It is so good. It's, oh my gosh, I need to put my phone away. The quality is just 10 out of 10. I really like it. I'm going to add a little bit on here, but honestly, I don't feel like I really need it. Let's also use a little bit of the Morphe bronzer. I just wanted a little contour, but I want a little bit of warmth on the forehead now. So these are the brand new Morphe Sudden Heat Creamy Bronzer Sticks. This is in the shade Sizzle. I believe they have like 4 or 5 different colors. I'm going to go ahead and use this one. This one, and then a darker shade were available, but I was like, I need this one. Ooh, did you see that? That blended out so easy. This is so pretty. It has a little bit more of a red undertone. Wow. I like that. Okay, super, super creamy. I'm going to add a little here to the jawline. Yep, that blends so, so easy, so effortlessly. Look at that. Just for comparison, look at this Morphe bronzer. Okay, so that is a little red. Again, this is in the shade Sizzle. And then the new Juvia's Place Toasted Toffee liquid bronzer. Look at that. Clear difference. It just really depends what you're going for. I almost prefer this color. What do you guys think? What color do you prefer? Let me know. We're not going to use her today because I do want to film a video probably sometime this week using a full face of e.l.f, but it's going to be my most favorite product. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know. I will have like a pinned comment. Make sure you just give it a thumbs up or you leave a comment in the comment section if you want to see a full face of my favorite e.l.f products. But I'm just gonna do a quick little eye look, nothing too crazy. I don't have any new eyeshadows. I don't think the Drugstore has released any new eyeshadows, so let's just get creative, I guess. I'm just gonna use this palette right here. I'm starting with the shade Body Talk, and again, I'm gonna keep it extremely simple, so don't mind me. I'm just going to throw this in the crease. I just want something to kind of match the blush, so I can use that blush as also a cute little lippy. I applied some lashes. I don't even know what lashes these are. They're so like old. Okay, let's go with the lip liner because I look crazy. Again, this is Sugar Pie. I think I have this, honestly, which is fine, whatever. And I'm gonna line my lips. I want to try this on my lips, see how it looks. I mean, it's a blurring blush, so I don't see this being a problem. Oh yeah, that is seriously so pretty. I love that. And then let's finish it off with Vanilla Toffee from e.l.f. Again, these are the new Glow Reviver Melting Lip Balms. I would encourage you to try at least one. I have sugar pie or something like that, and it's so good. Oh my gosh, it's so nice on the lips. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair off camera. By the way, I finally bought me a new blow dryer. Let me show you the one that I got because I'm excited to try it. Look at this. This is the Lounge. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. But this is a blow dryer that I ended up buying from Ulta. And I love the shape of this. I love how it's shaped like this, so it gets right to the roots, especially because I have curly hair. If you guys want to see like an updated blowout, my at-home blowout routine, let me know. I can totally do that for you guys. My hair is getting so long. I'm so excited to grow it out. I pretty much just used these two products to give me the ultimate blowouts look. Again, if you guys are interested in that, let me know. But yeah, I'll be back in just 1 second. Okay. So this is a full face of the newest drugstore makeup launches. Don't mind my hair. I literally just finished blow drying it and it's already super late. It's been a few hours and I'm ready for bed. Oh my gosh, I loved everything. I will have to keep you guys posted as far as these products, how I like them. I ended up just swiping off or taking off the e.l.f. little lip oil thing, whatever that was, and just applying this blush. It is seriously so pretty. Like, I am so tempted to go get the pink shade because I loved this formula. It's so blurring on the skin. And everything else that we've tested out today are products that we've either tested before or that are brand new. So I would love to know what you guys think. Thank you so much for joining me. I love you. Stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.